Hi, I'm Nicola Watkins, co-founder of byWatkins Buildings and Interiors. I'm excited to be teaching the Sustainable Interior Design course together with Elevator. This course was made for professionals in interior design, architecture, space planning, furniture design and lighting design. Over 7 weeks, you will join us for 12 lessons on sustainable interior design. We'll conclude with 2 bonus lessons to wrap up the course and showcase your portfolio. Projects built throughout this course. This is where you'll gain the skills and the knowledge to create interiors that are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also environmentally responsible and socially conscious. Our journey starts with grasping the principles that make a design truly sustainable. You'll learn how to navigate and implement your designs within the framework of regulations and standards. A crucial skill for any modern designer. Learn how to infuse nature into your designs with biophilic design principles while crafting spaces that are efficient, future-ready and versatile. After all, sustainability is all about adaptability. Next, we'll master the art of sustainable material selection and learn to minimize waste and creatively repurpose materials. I'll teach you how to design spaces that are water-wise, harness innovation and integrate energy-efficient strategies to create interiors that are green and comfortable. For example, you'll learn to develop the skills to create an indoor environment that enhances both physical and psychological well-being. Finally, we'll learn how to manage your projects and clients effectively whilst preparing to showcase your ethical work and join the ranks of sustainable leaders. From the very beginning, this course is packed with practical assignments, toolkits, workshops and guest speakers to give you the real-world experience and a complete overview of what your responsibilities will look like in the industry. We will also have weekly office hours if you feel like you have any questions left after the lessons. So, are you ready to make a difference through your designs? Join us to design futuristic spaces and get the blueprint to elevate your career. We are incredibly excited to be teaching this course, and I'll see you in class.